Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you two ways to delete the search suggestions on your Instagram. So the first way is open the Instagram and then go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on the settings and then go to the help option, click on report problem and then click on report problem without checking, and then it will take you directly to this page. Now you have to send a text message into the Instagram support team and tell them to delete your search suggestions easily and fast, and they will help you easily and fast in less than 24 hours. And then you have to go back to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on your activity, click on recent searches and then click on clear all. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.